This video is for educational purposes only. It provides guidance on breastfeeding and breast pump use for new mothers. This content is not sexual or suggestive. Always follow safe practices when pumping and caring for your baby.
Hi, my name is Milana. Today I want to share my breast pump routine in a calm, gentle, and unhurried way. Before I begin, I always take time to prepare both the space and myself. I wash my hands carefully, check that all the parts are clean and dry, and place everything where I can easily reach it without moving too much. I choose a quiet, comfortable spot where I can sit back and relax. I make sure my posture feels natural and supported. Then I take a few slow, deep breaths to help my body fully settle. Once I feel ready, I position the pump carefully and turn it on at the lowest setting. I prefer to start slowly, letting my body adjust to the rhythm at its own pace. The movement is gentle and consistent, and I stay focused on comfort. During the session, I remain relaxed and present. If I feel the need to adjust the intensity, I do it gradually. There's no rush. This routine is about listening and responding to my body. When I'm finished, I turn everything off and carefully remove the pump. I clean each part, let them dry, and store them properly for next time. I take one last deep breath before standing up. That's my approach. Simple, mindful, and calm.